In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign up for GoToMeeting, a great tool for hosting virtual meetings and collaborating online. Let's dive into the process, step by step, using Google Chrome as our starting point. First, open Chrome on your device. In the address bar at the top, type GoToMeeting and press Enter to initiate the search. You should see the official GoToMeeting website appear in your search results. Look for the option that says Try Free. It's usually prominently displayed to catch your attention. Click on this link to proceed to the sign-up page where you can begin creating your account. Once you're on the sign-up page, you'll find a series of fields that need to be filled out. Let's take it one field at a time to make sure everything is accurate. Start by entering your first name and last name. This information will help personalize your account and make it easier for colleagues or clients to recognize you during meetings. Next, you'll need to input your phone number. Including your phone number is important, as it not only provides a point of contact, but can also be useful for security verification purposes. Make sure the number is correct before you move on to the next step. Following the phone number is the field for your company size. Select the option that best represents the scale of your company. This information helps GoToMeeting tailor its service offerings and support to better suit your business needs. Then, enter your business email address. It's essential to use a professional and accessible email since this will be your primary method of communication regarding your GoToMeeting account. Be sure to double-check for any typos here, as emails containing verification links and account notifications will be sent to this address. Now comes the part where you set up a password. Choose a strong, unique password that you haven't used elsewhere to ensure the security of your account. A good password typically includes a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. Once you've chosen your password, type it into the corresponding field. With all the details accurately filled in, look for the Start Free button and click on it. This action will create your account and you will be directed to verify it through your email. Shortly after signing up, head over to your email inbox. You should receive an email from GoToMeeting asking you to verify your account. Open this email and follow the instructions provided to confirm your email address. This step is crucial as it completes your account setup and allows you to log in seamlessly. Once you've confirmed your email, you're all set. You should now be able to log into your GoToMeeting account and start exploring all the features it offers, ready to host or join meetings effortlessly. Thanks for following along, and I hope you found this guide helpful in getting you started with GoToMeeting.